It has always been a dream to enjoy the sea on the surface and underwater. Since the limits of surface super yachts are being stretched every year, why not add the subsea feature? This idea proposes a luxury cruising yacht concept for approximately 40 people, capable of diving down to 20 meters and at the same time having all of the state-of-the-art mega yacht features. The project combines a number of engineering challenges from hydrodynamics, material science, machinery and systems.